It won't be that bad. Come here. Come next to me. Come next to me. Quick, it's going, it's going. Does it frighten you?
No.
You hear that engine, Jess?
Like this.
That low revving engine. It's pretty cool, isn't it? What do you want to say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Are you toasty warm?
No. Because I put one on cold. And is that one off?
Off. Oh.
Mm.
Hold it. Hold that first one down and it'll turn back on. Oh.
No.
Hold that first one. Hold it down. There you go. All on.
What is that one
Toasty
mean?
warm. They're all the different zones. Heats up different areas.